Okay, so I'm going to be cutting an outlet into this existing wall here. This is exterior wall, and what I did is I drilled a hole that's small enough to where if it's in a bad spot, I can actually have some room to play around with my box and put the hole in a different location of my cutout, depending on if there's a stud in my way or not. To try to gauge a good point to drill my hole, I went from the corner of the house where I know there's going to be the start of the wall, and you can assume that every 16 inches there's going to be the center of another stud close to it. So you try to use that to gauge where you're going to put your hole in the first place. Once I have my hole, I use a little glow rod or something and put it in here, and I can feel around. You can even use a small trim out flathead screwdriver or something, and you can try to make sure that there's no stud in your way on either side of your hole.